Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video we'll be comparing Pollo AI with Runway. These are the top AI video editing tools, but which one is truly worth your time in 2025? So let's get right into it. So starting with Pollo AI. It is an AI-driven video editing tool which is designed for automated workflows. It's great for quick edits, automatic scene detection, and generating captions. It is perfect for marketers, creators, and business needing fast, polished content. So, it uses AI to automatically edit your videos, such as music, add transition, and even create template based on your content. So it's quick and easy for beginners and time-strapped creators. Now, it is all about efficiency with pre-built templates and automatic editing. It saves a ton of time and ideal for those who need results fast. Now, if I talk about pricing of this tool, so the basic plan is you can start for free, but the paid plans start at around $15 per month for more advanced tools and unlimited edits. Now, if I compare Polo AI with Runway, so Runway is another AI tool which is a more advanced platform. It offers real-time video editing, AI-assisted tools like background removal, motion tracking, and video generation. It's aimed at professional creators, filmmakers, and designers who need more flexibility and control. Now it takes AI video editing tool to the next level with tools like inpainting, automatic object removal, and multi-layer editing. It's made for high-level creativity and professional quality projects. Now, while powerful, it can take longer due to its feature-rich nature, but it offers more granular control over the final output. Now, if we talk about pricing, it basically starts at around $15 per month for the basic plan, but it can go up to $35 per month for the higher tier plan. And with that, I hope this video was clear for you in differentiating between Polo AI and Runway tool and deciding which one is better for you to choose for your video editing tools. Thank you so much for watching.